What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, in the circuit of figure 10.60, I1 is equal to I naught cos omega t plus I naught, and I2 is equal to negative I naught cos omega t plus I naught. Plot the waveforms at x and y and determine their peak-to-peak swings and common mode level. Repeat problem 10.4 for topology. Topology shown in figure 10.63. Now you can see 10.60 is the previous circuit we have done. We have done this for 10.60, 10.61, 10.62, and also now we are going to do it for 10.63. Now let's go and continue. Here if I apply, if you see voltage at Vx is going to be I1 times RC plus this voltage, that's VB. Now instead of I1 we can replace it with I naught cos omega t plus I naught. So this is going to be I naught cos omega t plus I naught times RC, and we keep the VB as it is, and this will become RC I naught plus RC I naught cos omega t plus VB. This is equation number 1. Now let's apply for Vy. Vy is going to be basically I2 times RC plus VB. I2 is negative I naught cos omega t plus I naught. Negative I naught cos omega t plus I naught times RC plus VB. So this will become RC I naught minus RC I naught cos omega t plus VB. Then this is equation number 2. So the common mode will become VCM is going to be addition. If you add this one and this one and this one, negative positive cancels each other, and here this will become RC I naught plus VB, that will become 2 times, and when we divide this one by 2, this is going to be just RC I naught plus VB, and this is our common mode level. Now let's go ahead and draw the graph. Okay, the graph is going to look like this one is Vy and this one is Vx, and here we will have VB, and this one is VB plus RC times I naught, and this is VB plus 2 RC times I naught. Here we will have Vx peak to peak. Vx peak to peak is equal to VB plus 2 RC I naught minus VB, and that's gonna plus VB minus VB goes away, so we will have 2 RC I naught. And then Vy peak to peak is equal to VB plus 2 RC I naught minus VB, and that gives us 2 RC I naught. So both of them are Vx peak to peak and Vy peak to peak, both of them are 2 RC I naught. So 2 RC I naught is the peak to peak value, and that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn electronics too, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.